Hello guys, hello, how are you guys? Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Susanna, and welcome back to another video. So guys, I hope you guys are doing well. How is the weather taking you guys outside there? And meanwhile here it's somehow warm, not like the way it was yesterday, and yeah, we are catching up with it, no otherwise. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you just come across my YouTube channel, please just subscribe, okay? Subscribe, yeah, just subscribe, okay? Share the video to your friends. Also like, most especially like, comment, and turn on that post notification bell. You see that thing that pops up when you press the subscribe button, that bell? Just click the bell with 2 dots, okay? Very important. Meanwhile, today's video, guys, I'm actually going to take you through my single room tour, okay? Remember, I moved from the babysitter that I was staying because it became so expensive for me, and I had no work at that time. I was just still struggling, so even I said, let me just go to something that I can afford, though it is not worthy. you know now. So I moved from that to this single where I am in now, so that's why I want to take you a tour of it. So let's do this. Outside my door, you see, I have that car space. See that car space from there? It's my space to this side. The space of my door. Those are my basins, my water tank, my jerry cans, my cashier, my car door there. So that is the curtain of my door. You can see that? The curtain to my door, and this is my door as we close it. Yeah, so let me show you the view from far. That is my door, you can see that. And then down there we have a door stepper. You see that stepper there? When you're entering in, then you just step and then come inside. You leave your shoes outside. You know, this life of washing things every time is not that easy, okay? You know what I mean now. Okay, when you're from my door, this is how you will enter. Down here we have the, remember in my house, the other house that I showed you, the babysitter that I was in, it had no carpet. You see that blue carpet there? That blue carpet was not there. It was just tiles like that. So when I moved into this single, I had to buy this blue. And then God blessed my husband also with this yellow carpet, woolen carpet. As you can see, it is woolen, very warm, and yeah, it is better than, though it is that small from here, from the door here. My legs are here, the door here, to the other space that you can see. You see, God is actually doing some great things to me. And also in the other house we had no table. When we moved in here, God blessed us with a table. We bought a table. Now everything is okay. So this is the hall of this house. Actually, though it's not that a good thing, but we have to stay in where we can afford. And up there also we have that curtain that says, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Yeah, nothing was there in that house with the one I was in. And also at the same time, God blessed us with a TV. God blessed us with a TV. When we moved in here, God blessed us with a TV. We got it, now we have it here. We can watch the news, you can watch the movie, you can entertain yourself, etc. Also another thing, that is my tissue actually. I love putting something, the tissue mostly next to the door, so that when you have a stomach ache, it can be easy for you at least to, you know, grab it and just run to the toilet. Also here we have a mirror. In the other house, there was no mirror. Let me tell you, there was no mirror at all. There was no mirror. So we got the mirror here. Yeah. So all this that I'm showing you here is my sitting room. All right. My single room tour. This is what we are doing. A single room tour. So this is my car seat where I sit with my husband. It's just a three-seater. You can see that, a three-seater. Yeah, we bought it when we came here. Actually, before we moved from the bed-sitter, we bought this seat, and then we moved out of the bed-sitter because it became so expensive for us to be paying that bed-sitter, and the bill for water also was too much for us. They give you the bill that you have not used, so that's why we decided to move to this single room. And also this place is, so this is our couch. Like I said, this is where we sit with my husband. In fact, we are three in the house, me, my husband, and baby. So this one is just put here for baridi, for coldness, in case anyone comes here and feel cold. Mostly my husband likes feeling cold, but he does not like covering himself or sitting here. He just likes coming and go straight, take a shower, and goes to bed. When I'm done with cooking, then he comes, I wake him up to eat food. So this is our cooking area. Yeah, you can see that. That is the water, clean water that we use, and this is our stand for utensils, for cups, plates. Up here we put fruits and yeah, our small things, we put them there, but now it's empty. The shopping is not yet done. And this is our gas. This gas actually is Safaricom gas. I know most of you know this Safaricom gas. Okay, that one you pay, you pay daily, or you load it like airtime, etc. That is how it is done. When it is finished, you load it again. When it's finished, you pay it again until the kgs are done. Then they will come and refill it. Okay, and down here, this place is for our shopping, for tomatoes, onions, etc. And now the food, mafuta, it's now empty, but we will soon do the shopping there. And down there is for the shopping bags and the saucepans here, and yeah, all the bags for shopping, we put them there. And then up here we have the two cooking gas. This actually, I was about to cook this one. I was about to cook something, and then this one I'm warming the baby's fish oil since he's coughing. So this oil has helped him actually. This fish oil, it's helping him to cough that cough properly and to get rid of it. So this cooking gas is the same, is being brought with this one, with this more gas of Safaricom, together with this one. Okay, but then if they want to return it, they will not return this one. They will return the gas, because you're paying for this one daily. The time you pay for the gas, they will shop something, and then they leave also something for you to cook. Then this space here is for the thermos, and when you're cooking the food, you just put your saucepan here, and yeah, these ones are the saucepan holding kitambaras. Okay, kitambaras for holding the saucepans when you're cooking. So saucepan holders, these ones. Okay, and also up there we have that curtain for massage. That time when I was pregnant, actually my husband used to massage me with that thing. It is so nice for massaging. It's nice, yeah. When they massage you with it, you can feel good. And then we have this kitchen kitambara. This kitchen kitambara. Yeah, it's actually for wiping the hands, hand wiping. And then that is our sitting room. All right, that is our sitting room. That is how you can view my sitting room. All right, from that view, sitting room. So that's all for the sitting room. Let me take you to the bedroom. You can see that curtain up from there to that hen. It is the bedroom. We actually divided the single to two parts, bedroom and sitting room. Okay, so let's actually, this curtain, hubby bought it, and it is double. It's a double curtain. You see this outer cloth, and also this, the inside one, all in one. You can see that all in one. So hubby bought it at 1,200 Kenyan shillings. Okay, so here we come in. First, what you can see is the clothes. Down here we have that clothes. Actually, I don't have a bucket for dropping that clothes, that's why I drop them here. Our bedroom is actually cement like that. We don't have the carpet yet, but soon, if God blesses us again, we will do that. We will buy. As you can see, it is just cement. Okay, and then here we have the bags, that clothes, and then this bag. Actually, if you saw from the other house, this bag is for our clothes, me and hubby. And then up here we put a rope so that we can hang our clothes when they are dry, or some of them when they are not dry, when it is raining, like the way it was raining since yesterday, but when it has been raining. So that is what we do. We just hang some clothes inside here, and then inside here we have the jackets for hubby, because he actually goes to work early in the morning, but by 4 when he's out of the house, so he needs heavy jackets. So those are his jackets. And my bags, some of my bags, I've washed them, they're outside because I've stayed without using them since I gave birth. And then I have this car bag of mine. I know some of you have ever seen this bag since when I was in a hospital, this bag. And then this is the window for our bedroom. Actually, you can see the view outside there. You can see the view of the chamber, the garden, the maize, the burgers. And then at the window we have the jewelries. My jewelries are there. Then this side of the window, since we don't have the drawer, I mean is it a wardrobe or that card drawer for putting the medicines, for putting the oils and etc. So we decided to be putting them at the window here. And yeah, African way. Until God will bless us, that's when everything will be classy. But now we have to do it African way. Yeah, we do it that way. And then we have this simple curtain here, just to divide our sleeping area. You see the bed is there, and then the bed is there, and then this side can be for dressing only. So when we put it, and then you see, you can't see the bed, but you can dress up from this side here, and then yeah, you're good to go. There's too much sun. Don't know whether you can see the bed. So the bed is there. Can you see the net? The net is there. Our bed actually our bed, our net is down every 24/7. So because of the baby, when the baby is sleeping, you have to leave the net down due to mosquito bites. So let's open. This is our bed, our bedroom. That's our bed. We have the dolly for baby is there. Dolly for baby is there, and the baby is here sleeping. I actually finished to bathe him and he's now enjoying his sleep. He's sleeping, and that is our bed. Can see that God even blessed us with another bed cover. We bought it, and yeah, now everything is just God willing. So under the bed we put our shoes under the bed, and of which I cannot show you that. You can still see the shoes there, but there are so many shoes down there. Yeah, when God blesses us again, we will buy a shoe rag. But then that is our bed. Yeah, that is how it looks like. In the net, that is how it looks like. So guys, that is all for today's video. Like I've showed you our bedroom, how it is, our bed, how it is. That is my single room tour. Okay, that's my single room tour, and God willing, if God blesses us again, we will actually improve on our house. We'll buy more things for the house. This life is step by step until you get all you wanted. You don't rush, you just take it easy. So that's all for today's video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, kindly like the video, kindly share the video, comment, and then at least even comment something, what is in your mind, and tell me what it is. So thank you so much. May God bless you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.